we drove to Costa del Sol, which is probably the second time that I've been there, and the family rented a home, so we stayed right on the water. It's sort of the quintessential playa, white sand and clear water and basically beach that runs for miles. One of the main reasons why Costa is so popular is because of its location and proximity to San Salvador. It took us, I think, 45 minutes to get there. It was just so nice to walk out every night to enjoy the sunset. I hope you guys enjoy, and let me know in the comments if you like these intros. I can do more of them, and I'm slowly getting used to getting in front of the camera. So let me know if you like this in the comments, and let's get to the video. I hope you guys enjoy. We made it to Costa. First impressions of this home, I was blown away by how incredibly beautiful it was. We decided to walk around a little bit and take a trip to the beach. It took us about 5 minutes to walk all the way down to the beach, and there they had 4 chairs set up for us to sit out and just watch the sunset. This was the first time that I had really seen the vastness of Costa, and we spent many hours just sitting here enjoying the time with each other. The vastness is pretty incredible, and one of the reasons why is because we are situated on a peninsula. Typically beaches here in El Salvador are dark in color because we are quite literally surrounded by a volcano, and so a lot of that is part of volcanic ash and whatever sediment came from the volcano, and that gives it its dark color. And here you'll notice that the sand is a lot lighter, and it's composed mostly of the shells that you see on the ground. Also really incredible shells everywhere, like incredible colors and textures. So that's kind of what differentiates this beach, and I think the fact that it's so close to San Salvador, a lot of people want to come. And I was just walking and stumbled across this really beautiful textured shell. You'll find so many of these on the beach. So we are going to do some swimming at the spot, and then we're going to head back to the house for some lunch, and I'm going to show you a little tour of this beautiful house that we're staying in. Good morning, everybody. So I kind of ran out of time to give you a proper house tour. What I'm gonna do is just show you a little bit of our room and the outdoor space because it's really spectacular. So we got a pretty substantial sized closet with lots of hangers and places to put all of our clothing. A little stool here to put whatever you need. Don't mind the mess on the bed. This is the room, really big size room. We had a TV, and then the bathroom, which is a really excellent size. You can come in here, wash off after the beach, and they've got shampoo, conditioner, and body wash here for you. So if you come outside with me, what I love about this room is that you get an entire walkway to yourself. You can walk down here to the pool area and just sit and lounge by the pool. If you keep walking, you can see this stunning pool, really beautiful. It has a little table in the shallow end that you can sit and chill and have some drinks at. This was where we had all of our meals prepped. Really stunning area, indoor, outdoor space. You've got a living room area here where you can watch movies or TV, and then the beach is right there. So it's just a few steps to the beach. And this room is also air conditioned, which is amazing. So when you want to cool down, you can come in here and just enjoy it. And just to show you around the pool area, you can walk through these steps. This is a really beautiful palm tree that creates these really interesting berries. And you can wash off the beach here, and you can lay in the hammocks over here, which is such a beautiful part of this whole experience. It's shaded, and then you just get to look out to the beach. So we made it to this abandoned house, which you can probably see in the background. It took a few tries to get here, and I'm gonna try and explain a little bit later how we got here, in case you're wondering, in case you wanna try it yourself. So we're gonna walk over to this, hey Mark, abandoned house over here. So the story goes that it was once a hotel, and then all of a sudden, I guess because of a hurricane or some kind of natural disaster, the house supposedly disappeared, and it's since reappeared, and that's sort of how the story goes. So it reappeared recently, and so everyone's been kind of curious about finding out how it got here. And what's crazy about this house is that it's still standing. So homes in Canada or US, for example, they are built with drywall, so obviously they're not going to be able to withstand the ocean or the sand, whereas homes in El Salvador are built to withstand earthquakes. So they're built with a lot stronger materials, so it's actually kind of crazy that this house is even standing. But we're gonna walk over and check it out for ourselves. The tide is fully out right now, so it's perfect time to come. Normally the water does reach this home, and depending on the time of day, you can sometimes not even access it. So I'm gonna take you guys along with me as we walk there. It was quite a process to be able to even figure out how to get here. We were gonna plan on walking there, but obviously walking in the sand is a mission all on its own. So we're just grateful to be here, and it's super safe. To take you guys along with me. I'm so excited. It's a really crazy spot. So you can already see that the house is right here. It takes a little bit to walk there from the car, but it's maybe like a 5-minute walk, not too bad. You can see the house in the background, and we're gonna walk up to it and see what's inside. Really crazy graffiti already on the outside of this place. Pretty wild. It's crazy to think that this house has survived so much. And yet it's still here. I'm gonna take you guys with me as we kind of walk around the house. Looks like we're maybe getting closer to the front of the house. It's really crazy. I don't know if we're even able to walk upstairs. I love these parts of the home where foliage would grow out of, and it was sort of eerie because parts were just really untouched. And then you had these layers of graffiti and foliage growing over. It's sort of like a coalescence of all of these different incredible parts of an abandoned house. And then on top of that you have the ocean and these big open, what used to be windows that look out to the sky, and the decay on the front, where you see this beauty in the sublime and the real imprint of time on a place that was once lived in. So this is where we parked, for you to know. It's off of the main road. Seemed like a safe place to park the car. A lot of other vehicles here. Seems like overlanders were here. We just got back to our Airbnb and we are going to walk down for the last sunset of our trip. It's been so incredible to just walk out to the ocean and sit by the water for hours watching the sunsets. So we just got back from the abandoned house and we are going to sit down and enjoy the sunset. It's so beautiful and we pretty much have the beach to ourselves. I'm going to flip the camera around and show you what I'm seeing.